In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order your first product from Shein in Ethiopia. Perhaps you've heard about the amazing deals and trendy fashion finds on Shein, and you're ready to dive in and make your first purchase. Don't worry if this is unfamiliar territory for you. I'll guide you every step of the way to ensure a smooth and successful shopping experience. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Shein website, open your preferred web browser, and type in the Shein URL, or simply search for it on your search engine. Once you're on the site, take a moment to browse. It's like entering a virtual fashion mall with a variety of categories and styles to explore. Now, with so many options, I recommend you have a rough idea of what you're looking for. Maybe it's a summer dress, some cozy loungewear, or maybe you're just exploring what's new. Once you've scrolled through their offerings and something catches your eye, click on the item for more details. At this stage, you're probably wondering what to do next. Look for the little cart icon to add your selected item to your cart. It's usually located near the price or description. Go ahead and click it, and your item is now safely tucked into your virtual shopping cart. Before moving on, you'll need to choose the right color and size. Shein offers a variety of options, so make sure to select what suits you best according to your preferences and the sizing chart provided. This ensures what arrives fits perfectly and meets your expectations. Next, come back to that section where you saw the Add to Cart button, click on it, and your item jumps into your cart, confirming that it's ready for purchase. Exciting, right? You can continue shopping or proceed to finalize your order. To view everything you've gathered in your cart, navigate back to the main menu and click on the cart icon. This gives you a review of all the items you intend to purchase. Make any final changes if needed. Now comes the last step, checking out. Click on the checkout option and you'll be prompted to fill in your billing and delivery details. Double check the address and all details you enter because this is crucial to ensure your order finds its way to you in Ethiopia without any hiccups. And there you have it, the order is placed. That's a wrap on how to order your first product from Shein in Ethiopia. Take some time to explore, enjoy the process, and soon you'll be excitedly watching for your package's arrival. Happy shopping, and until next time, enjoy your new Shein finds.